Hello, welcome to the WhatsApp Automation series. You are watching the series on how to automate customer support on WhatsApp for your business and Shopify store. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Meta business account step by step, which is an important setup if you want to run ads, manage business assets, or connect WhatsApp automation in the future. So, let's get started. First, open Facebook.com and make sure you're already logged into your Facebook profile, just like I'm logged in here. Now open business.facebook.com. This will take you directly to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. Before continuing, make sure you already have at least one Facebook page, because a page is required when creating a Meta Business account. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, click on the drop-down icon at the top. Here you'll see all the Facebook pages currently connected to your account. Just below that, you'll find an option called Create a Business Portfolio. Click on this option to start the setup. You'll now be redirected to the Business Portfolio Creation form. Start by entering your business portfolio name. You can choose any name that represents your business. For this example, I'll simply enter my page name. Next, move to the Contact Information section. Here, you need to enter your first name, then your surname, and finally, your business email address. This email will be used for important notifications and verification messages from Meta. Once all the information is entered, click on the Create button. After this, Meta will ask you to add a Facebook page to your business portfolio. Click Next to continue. You'll also see an option where you can add another person to your business account. If you want to give access to a team member or partner, you can enter their email address here. For now, we'll skip this and click Next. Next, Meta will ask you to review the access permissions. If you want to keep full control of the account for yourself, simply confirm the selection and click Confirm. Within a few seconds, you'll be redirected to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. From here, click the drop-down menu again, and next to your page, you'll see a Settings icon. Click on it. This section contains the main configuration settings for your business account. First, open Business Info and check that all your details are complete. Under Business Details, click Edit and enter your business information such as your street address, city, country, postal code, phone number, and your website address if you have one. After entering all the details, click Save. On this page, you'll also see your business verification status. Right now, it may show as not verified. If you click View Details, you can submit legal business documents. Meta will review the information and verify your business, which may take some time. Next, for better account security, enable two-factor authentication. Then go to Profile Contact Info, review your details, and make sure your name and professional email address are correct. Now scroll down to the Pages section and click Add. If you already have a Facebook page, choose Add Existing Page. Otherwise, you can also create a new page directly from here. In this example, I'll select Add Existing Page. Simply type your Facebook page name in the search box or paste the page URL, then click Next. Review the access permissions. Click Next, accept Meta's policies, and then click Add Page. Finally, click Done. And that's it. Your Meta business account has now been successfully created, and your Facebook page is connected to your business portfolio. From here, you can manage business assets, run ads, add team members, and prepare your setup for WhatsApp automation and Shopify integrations. In the next video, we'll continue the setup and show you how to connect WhatsApp with your Shopify store using the official WhatsApp API. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.